Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We're going into the history of computers. Do you believe that the history of computing is longer than the history of computing hardware and modern computing technology, and includes the history of methods intended for pen and paper or for chalk and slate, with or without the aid of tables? Of course, let's discuss the following. First generation, ENIAC. Second generation, UNIVAC-I. And third generation, use of integrated circuits. Let's start with first generation, ENIAC. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first electronic general-purpose digital computer. It was Turing complete and able to solve a large class of numerical problems through reprogramming. ENIAC was designed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert of the University of Pennsylvania, U.S. By the end of its operation in 1956, ENIAC contained 20,000 vacuum tubes, 7,200 crystal diodes, 1,500 relays, 70,000 resistors, 10,000 capacitors, and approximately 5 million hand-soldered joints. Next, the second generation, UNIVAC-I, Universal Automatic Computer 1, as soon as the vacuum tubes kept burning out that they faced a lot of problems. The technology was replaced by transistors. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. It is composed of semiconductor material, usually with at least 3 terminals for connection to an external circuit. The first working device to be built was a point contact transistor invented in 1947 by American physicists John Bardeen and Walter Brattain while working under William Shockley at Bell Labs. They shared the 1956 Nobel Prize in Physics for their achievement. Transistors can sometimes be used in radio box, mainly as amplifiers. Your teaching assistant Percy the Bandicoot will help you. And finally, the third generation, use of integrated circuits. Integrated circuits are semiconductor device that produces less heat and it's more efficient and costly. It consists of thousands of transistors into a small chip. Integrated circuits are now used in computers, mobile phones, calculators, and other gadgets are now inextricable parts of the structure of modern societies, made possible by the small size and low cost of integrated circuits. An electrical engineer, Jack Kilby, invented the integrated circuit, also known as the microchip. These can be used in various computers in accordance with the VLSI, or very large-scale integration. We can develop a microprocessor, by the way, typically from Intel Corporation. My favorite application is the use of microprocessor in my Omnitrix to store alien data. Next video, we'll tell you about the history of Intel Corporation. Like, comment, and subscribe now.